Welcome to the launch of the Academy of Automotive Art, featuring show car school for kids. Our mission is to keep alive the cultural phenomenon of car shows and show cars for generations to come. In order to do that, we're offering all kinds of classes, online, in person, both free and tuition based. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer at home doing a restoration of an old car, or you're just painting your car, or if you're someone that wants to actually learn all the tricks of the trade to work in the field, the Academy of Automotive Art is the source that you need. Now, we're looking for sponsors and supporters of all kinds, and we've already have some big sponsors getting on board because they know that this is going to be a good project, to help kids and even adults that want to learn a skill and get a career. Here we have Yes Welder has donated all these products you see here, which is a lot of good stuff, and we're going to get a lot of good learning in from these products. And if you're a representative of the company out there and you'd like to get your company involved, then come to oldbondobilly.com and we'll have information there how to sponsor and support, have donations from individuals that want to support the channel and help the kids and get more content. The more donations that we receive, the better content, and the more content I'll be able to put out. So once again, oldbondobilly.com, the Academy of Automotive Art, and Show Car School.